Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. First question, where was the 78th United National General Assembly held? A. Paris, France. B. Perth, Australia. C. New York, USA. D. London, UK. The correct answer is option C. New York, USA. Next question, which country will host the 16th BRICS Summit 2024? A. India. B. Brazil. C. China. D. Russia. The correct answer is option D. Russia. Next question, which country hosted the 50th G7 Summit 2024? A. India. B. UK. C. USA. D. Italy. The correct answer is option D. Italy. Next question, which country hosted the Quiet Summit 2024? A. Japan. B. India. C. USA. D. Australia. The correct answer is option C. USA. Next question, which country will host SCO Summit in October 2024? A. India. B. China. C. Pakistan. D. Kazakhstan. The correct answer is option C. Pakistan. Next question, which country hosted the NATO Summit 2024? A. France. B. Sweden. C. England. D. USA. The correct answer is option D. USA. Next question, which country hosted 40th UNESCO World Heritage Committee meeting? A. France. B. India. C. UK. D. USA. The correct answer is option B. India. Next question, which country hosted third Voice of the Global South Summit? A. India. B. Japan. C. France. D. USA. The correct answer is option A. India. Next question, which country hosted the 112th International Labour Conference 2024? A. India. B. Switzerland. C. China. D. Russia. The correct answer is option B. Switzerland. Next question, where was the World Hydrogen Summit 2024 organized? A. UK. B. India. C. Netherlands. D. Poland. The correct answer is option C. Netherlands. Next question, the 78th World Health Assembly 2024 held in which city? A. Paris. B. Bangalore. C. Geneva. D. London. The correct answer is option C. Geneva. Next question, the 60th International Sugar Organization Council meeting held in which city? A. New Delhi. B. Geneva. C. Paris. D. London. The correct answer is option A. New Delhi. Next question, which country hosted the 10th World Water Forum 2024? A. India. B. Japan. C. China. D. Indonesia. The correct answer is option D. Indonesia. Next question, which country hosted the 4th Antarctic Treaty meeting? A. Japan. B. Netherlands. C. UK. D. India. The correct answer is option D. India. Next question, where is the 7th edition of the Indian Ocean Conference held? A. India. B. Australia. C. Japan. D. Sri Lanka. The correct answer is option B. Australia. Next question, which country will host the world's first audio-visual entertainment summit waves in November 2024? A. India. B. Australia. C. Japan. D. USA. The correct answer is option A. India. Next question, which country hosted the Mobile World Congress 2024? A. Germany. B. Spain. C. Poland. D. Greece. The correct answer is option B. Spain. Next question, what country hosted the World Government Summit 2024? A. USA. B. India. C. UAE. D. France. The correct answer is option C. UAE. Next question, which country will host world's largest conservation conference in 2025? A. UAE, B. India, C. China, D. Russia. The correct answer is UAE. Last question. Where is the Bonn Climate Conference 2024 held? A. Netherlands, B. USA, C. India, D. Germany. The correct answer is option D. Germany. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.